More snow for you around Minneapolis, more for Green Bay. Des Moines picking up a bit of snowfall after you had some freezing drizzle earlier. Then watch Chicago, too, as we head into tonight, maybe even some brief snow overnight. Very little in the way of accumulation there, but we expect to see accumulations of at least 3 to 5 inches over a widespread area here of Minnesota, down into northern Iowa, across into Wisconsin, and 5 to 8 inches still to come on top of what we've already had there in the lower portion of Michigan. We're actually a little bit above the average for Minneapolis, but still below for Green Bay, Milwaukee, and Marquette. We're going to make up a little bit for lost time. Well, Winter Storm Wilbur should have the big cities on the eastern seaboard this week shaking in their boots. As meteorologist Kelly Cash shows us, people across the Northeast are ready for winter to pack its bags and go away.
It looks and sounds an awful lot like January.
This is the most ridiculous thing I've ever seen, and I still have to drive all the way to New Jersey, so what a great morning.
Welcome to April in New York City.
Can you believe we're going through this again?
No. April? No way.
5.5 inches of snow spread across Manhattan Monday. New York City's snowiest April day in 36 years.
It's springtime supposedly, but it looks more like winter. Are you over all of the snow that we've had?
I am so over it. I am ready for spring.
The flakes were heavy, wet, and slushy. Some drivers refused to be bothered. They learned the hard way.
They're speeding, and they should be more careful, because every time there was a snowstorm and I'm driving back, there's a major accident. So people are definitely not taking their time.
New York suburbs racked up impressive totals for April. Many collected between 4 and 8 inches.
I'm pretty done for the frozen hellscape of winter to end, so.
The blast of winter forced the New York Yankees to call off their home opener. The game now rescheduled for this afternoon. The spring storm made commuters wet and late and forced alternative transportation.
I'm not a winter person, and I like to see some sunshine.
Snow fatigue, it seems, even has pets a bit cranky.
Yeah, I think I'd be cranky too, you know. I'm with you, dog, for sure. Hey, these are all the storm reports that have come in from the snowfall amounts there from Boston into Connecticut, New York.